All right, there's our pile of lumber. Bunch of 24 nice and straight 2x10 pressure treated. Got a box of 3-inch screws. Oh, here come my favorites. This is how you lock things up. When you want to put a post on, put 2 of these on it. It's like cement. Joist hangers. And then these are nice too. These are really nice. This is going to go through the front joist into the end of the beams. Hold those guys in place. Keep them standing straight. All right, let's deliver this mess. All right, so that's good for today. Put a second plate over this one to help it out, just because. Got all the wood delivered. Dug the dirt out from being in contact. Let's see if this fits on my scrap. Let's see if this fits on my scrap. Come on. Come on. Oh, this is 2x12. This is 2x12. Mr. Chili's, we need a couple 2x12s. The stringers are wider. should have known that. But no biggie. No biggie. No biggie smalls. 2 by 12. I'm stupid. I know the stringers are always from 2 by 12. Okay. So what? We got plenty to mess around with. Do you want to lay any of these pieces before we go on top of the wall here?
No.
No, leave it alone.
Yeah, because I have to figure it out.
Okay. That's it. Let's get out of here.